Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is k to the power of 3 over 2 equals 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Solving for all values of k that satisfy this equation. So let's start by expressing this exponent here. This is k power. We have 3 times 1 over 2. We do the same thing here. We have 3 power. This is 3 times 1 over 2. If you have a power x times y, this is a power x to the power of y, and this is a power y to the power of x. So applying that here, k power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 3 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. From here, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. Find that here and here, this is square root of k to the power of 3 equals square root of 3 to the power of 3. Let's move this down here. This becomes square root of k to the power of 3 minus square root of 3 to the power of 3 equals 0. So what we are going to do will be to expand this, and we can achieve this using the identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, right now, our a is root k and b is root 3. So let's insert that right here. We have root k minus root 3, that is a minus b, times root k to the power of 2 plus root k times root 3 plus root 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. We have root k minus root 3. This cancels this. I have k. This multiplies this. I have root 3k. This cancels this. I have 3 equals 0. So what we are going to do will be to equate each of these to 0. So we have root k minus root 3 equals 0. We also have k plus root 3k plus 3 equals 0. So let's solve this. I move this down here. Have root k equals root 3. Right now this cancels this. Have k equals 3. Let's set it out. For this, I move this and this over here. Have root 3k equals this is negative 3 minus k. I take the squares. This cancels this. I have 3k. Equals this is negative 3 minus k times negative 3 minus k. When you have 3k equals this times this, we have 9. This times this, we have plus 3k. This time this, we have plus 3k. This time this, we have plus k squared. So from here, we have 3k equals 9 plus 6k plus k squared. Move this down here. 0 equals 9 plus 6k plus k squared minus 3k. So what we are going to do is to have our 0 here equals 9 plus, this is 3k because 6k minus 3k is 3k plus k squared. Let's rearrange this and solve this quadratic equation. We solve using the formula method. You write the formula k equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a equals, now we need to rearrange this one here, which is the equation of k squared, b equals 3, which is the equation of k, and c equals 9, which is the constant here. So let's insert it right here. We have k equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. So right here, k equals negative 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 9 minus 36 divided by 2. So right now, k equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of this is negative 27 divided by 2. So k equals negative 3 plus or minus, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 27 divided by 2. This equals negative 3 plus or minus, this is I times square root of 27, that is 9 times 3 divided by 2. We have k equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 2. From here, we have k equals negative 3 or minus I times square root of 3, that is 3 times root 3 divided by 2. From here, I have k equals, this is 3 over 2 of negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for k. We can simply have, we have k2, because we have already gotten our k1. So k2 would be 3 over 2 of negative 1 plus I times root 3. And k3 equals 3 over 2 of negative 1 minus I times root 3. These are the two complex values for k. And we have one real value for k, which is this particular value here, which is k equals 3. So let's verify this. Now k equals 3. K equals k power 3 over 2 equals 3 power 3 over 2, and k equals 3. So let's substitute this for k. That means I'm going to have 3 power 3 over 2 equals 3 power 3 over 2. Right now, if I have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a power 1, which is the n root of a. Applying that here, I will have square root of 3 power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27, so this is square root of 27 equals square root of 27. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Both sides satisfy the equation, and this is how you can solve this exponential problem. Thank you and goodbye.